Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am excited to share my very first garment for my Fruity Fashion collection. So if you are interested, please continue to watch. The strawberry, it's a fibrous fruit. Looks so small but still very cute. The strawberry, rich in vitamin C, which is good for your health. Just try it and see. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing with you my first make for my Fruity Fashion collection. I am so excited to start this series with my beautiful strawberry border print dress. This dress is super fun to me and flirty, and it gives me all the strawberry and fruity vibes. So I am just, I don't know, I've already said it, but I'm super doped about this dress. I just love it. So let's get on with the dress. So before we get too deep into it, if you like this type of content, go ahead and click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. And I really do like to know what you all are thinking about this dress and about this series. So don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section below. So let's talk about the pattern that I used to make this dress. I use Simplicity 8873 and the pattern description is Mrs. Dress, and it also has separate pattern pieces for cup sizes. So it has a B, a C, a D, and a double D. And so that really worked out for me, and I used a double D. So the sewing skill level is set at easy, but I do think it should probably be at an intermediate level because you do have to put in gathers and you have to put in a black zipper. There are 11 pattern pieces, but I only use 7. So I use the front, I use the back, I had a pattern piece for the straps, I had a pattern piece for the skirt front and for the skirt back. The notions that you need, of course, is going to be thread and a zipper. And the pattern sizing for this pattern is 6 through 20, and I cut a size 20. And I did use, like I said earlier, the double D cup size for the bodice. And I do think it looked like the pattern cover. I absolutely do. And I love it because, of course, you're drawn to the pattern by what the pattern cover looks like. So, yes. The instructions were very easy to follow. What I liked about this pattern is I love the fit and flare design with the gathers that's in the waist. I love the tie straps. I really like that detail. That's something that I don't have in my wardrobe. Well, I do now, but that's something that I didn't have in my wardrobe. And I definitely appreciate the custom cup sizes because your girl, she got some boobs and that took care of that. So the fabric that I use is 100% cotton. I noticed this fabric at Joann Fabrics and I had to get it because, I mean, this dress in particular would definitely not disappoint, and that is exactly how I feel with this particular fabric. It's a border print with strawberries on here and black polka dots with a white background. Absolutely love it. And I did not make any type of modifications or alterations to the pattern. I just sewed it as is. I will definitely recommend this to others because I think it is awesome. And the pockets, oh, I forgot to mention that the pocket, I do like the length of these pockets, so that's something that I appreciate. I mean, and now don't get me wrong, they're not too deep, but they're decent. But again, I would definitely recommend this for others to sew up. And the reason why I made this dress is because I thought this dress would be the perfect fit to show off my border print fabric. I mean, I also love the bodice and the gathers, but the border print just kind of did it for me, and I just thought it would be, like I said, the perfect dress. I'm just excited. I'm excited. So So I did pair them with my chandelier earrings. I think this is beautiful. I thought about wearing these in red, but I think the white stands out better with the dress. And I will now enter clips and pictures so that you can see more of this strawberry dress and all its goodness. Now I have a few little fun facts about the strawberry fruit. So the first one is that giant strawberries can be as large as apples. Strawberries at room temperature are sweeter than cold strawberries. The average strawberry has 200 seeds, and it's the only fruit that has seeds on the outside. Don't wash strawberries until you're ready to eat them because it speeds up the lifespan. Strawberries are a very low-calorie fruit and has less than 50 calories per cup, and it is the easiest fruit to grow. So that is it for my first garment for my me-made fruity fashion collection. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you liked how my dress turned out. And if you did, please click the like button and let me know in the comments. I'm super dope, and I hope you are too. So the next fruity dress that I will make is going to be the orange dress, so stay tuned for that. It may not be the next video, but it will be the next dress in the series. So orange is coming up next, so make sure that you are subscribed to the channel so that you can be notified whenever I upload a video, and press the gray notification button so that you definitely will not miss out. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to all my subscribers for sticking with me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.